Alright guys, so now we are arriving at St. Catharines. I just don't see the station. I don't see the station yet. Oh, here, right here, guys. Here we are. Alright guys, so we're here. Guys, if you can't barely see, it's because it's nighttime, guys. This is our 8:30 p.m. train. Guys, can you believe that? Oh my gosh. Here's the station. Oh my gosh, guys. So this is the station. St. Catharines. Guys, there's the departure screen. Oh my gosh, guys, there's a lot of people going to Toronto. This is St. Catharines. Alright guys, so this is St. Catharines. I'll see you in a bit once we move. Alright guys, so now we are leaving St. Catharines. Heading our next station, West Harbor. Alright guys, we're moving. Next station is West Harbor.
Our next stop is West Harbor.
Woo! There we go. Alright guys, so we're leaving St. Catharines. And we just left. Alright guys, so see you in West Harbor.